everybody, it's Katie, model here at Ideal World, and I'm back with you today to preview some very exciting new bits from a brand new range here at Ideal World called the Leather Collection. So I'm going to be taking you through my 3 favourite styles of boot from the Leather Collection. Let's jump straight in. So first up is a beautiful tall boot, the most sublime leather. I love the elastication at the back too, because that's really good if you do have that wider calf. Super comfortable to wear, super flexible too, that perfect tight heel, and these are just going to be a real must with your opaques, with your little knitted dresses. So many ways to wear them. So next up is the Chelsea boot. Now I really like these ones because they're that gorgeous chocolate chestnut brown colour. Really like the bro detail running across the front. So easy to get on and off, stress free because you've got the elastication on either side. And that perfect little heel makes them the ideal ankle boot. So my final pick, and my favourite, are the gorgeous Tassel ankle boots. I'm loving these ones because they're so unusual. You've got that gorgeous snakeskin effect around the back that really catches the light as you walk. You've got a fantastic zip detail as well, but most importantly you've got those really fashionable bang-on trend tassels. These are so great for a bit more of a dressed up look, again with your opaques, with your leggings, with your tapered trousers. These are going to be a real head turner. Well, I hope I've got you just as excited as I am about the new leather collection here at Ideal World. If you've loved this content, please click subscribe below.